Hello, wishing you all a warm welcome to Inveck, and I'm here to give you an overview of how to use our tool to digitize your inventory count process. Here we decided to divide the process into 4 parts for better understanding. 1. Visit milestones. 2. Understanding stock counting process. 3. Use of search and filters for ease of use. And 4. Use it offline and customize your profile. By the end of this video, you will be able to completely digitize your stock, take the experience for yourself as well as your team. First, I'll show how to visit Milestones in Inveck. As we open the Inveck, first you have to log in. The login details will be sent to you over your registered email. Now, here is the list of milestones that have been allotted to you by the admin team. We need to select the milestone for which stock count is to be done. Here we will search and select March Foundry 1. Enter details of the person responsible for that stock area. Then press Save and Proceed button. Stock list will open. This list contains all the details of stock like quantity, location, item code, etc. which user have to verify. Now go through this list and find the stock which is present in front of you. Now here come 2 instances. If actual quantity and stock card quantity matches, then just press the red check button, it will turn green. Done. If actual quantity and stock card quantity vary, then enter the actual quantity in the text field provided near the red check button. Swipe right for any of the stock card, enabling us to use add-ons. We can add any remark to the stock card, like for instance, inventory was lying in an obsolete condition. And you can add photos too, by pressing this camera icon. What if you find the same stock item at multiple locations? You can add it in the other location field, by pressing this location icon. You can add as many locations as required. If we found any variation in actual count and book count, we can also take the sign off for it, from the person responsible for it just for better control purposes. Also, if you do stock count for a certain item, from floor to sheet, then we can select that card as F2S. Sometimes, we take a break from work, then press the back button. And we will move back to the page showing the list of milestones. On this page, you will see the percentage of work completed by you. Whenever you want to resume, go to that milestone and press Resume button. Moving on to search and adding filters in the stock list. To find any stock card, you can use this button. Now type the stock's name and press this button again. You can also search any stock by scanning its QR code or barcode. For that, all you have to do is press the scan button and scan the code of that item. Inveck also allows us to apply filters based on status, locations, and sorting option 2 by pressing this drop-down menu. Adding the new stock to the list is as simple as pressing the plus button. Now select the item from the list. Select the location and enter a quantity of the item. Done. Now I will show you how to submit your stock count. After completing your stock count, press the little check button in the corner. Here we will see a list of all the pending items. You can complete them here. Or, if you still want to proceed, then press the checkmark button again. This is the final sign-off screen. Add your name, designation, and signature in the respective fields. Press Save button. And that's how you will submit your audit. You can also complete the entire process offline. Let's see how. On the Milestones page, slide the milestone field which you want to complete offline. Now press the Sync button. All the data of this milestone will be synced to your phone. Now you can start stock count by using the same procedure. And if you want to customize your profile, then press this setting button in the corner. That's it for now. We hope this video helps you feel confident in completing your stock counting process. With time, Inveck can become a powerful tool as a replacement for physical stock verification.